So what are we doing today? Yeah, nothing really in particular. I said I'd meet up with a couple of others for a brew. So we'll go and have a look, see if they turned up. Got a feeling they won't turn up actually, but we'll see. Then we'll have a look down at the dam, I think. See if I can take the right turning this time. Previous video I went whizzing past the turning. Oh well. Saved it for another day. It's a lovely bright Sunday morning. So yeah, I'm hoping there'll be one or two there anyway. Although I am a bit early. I'm a bit early. I was planning on doing something before I came out, but yeah, I'll do that later. So yeah, I've come out a bit earlier. But I mean, it's still a bit cold in the shade there. When you go through the shade, you know, you feel the temperature drop. But it should warm up a bit today. Shouldn't be too bad. Right, we're coming up to the calf now, so turn off here. Yeah, there's one or two here today anyway. Wow, Quasar. Yeah, alright, good turnout. Quasar, I haven't seen one of them since, late 70s. So, yeah, should get a brew. See if the lads are here. Oh, they are, I can see them. Oh yeah, it's a good turnout for the Sunday morning. Bit of sunshine brings people out, doesn't it? Love the Quasar though. Quite sure whose it is. But yeah, all is good. That was alright, that was. Bit of a chin wag and a brew. But yeah, nice little village, isn't it? Very pleasant. I was messing with my gear lever the other day, and I won't say too much because I'm going to make a video on it, so you'll see that. But yeah, I'd taken it off, and I think I must have put it back on like one spline higher. It's certainly not in the place where it used to be, but you know, I mean, I could take the bolt out and move it, but like I say, there's something I need to do. All will be explained. Well, I'm going to be heading back home now. Just a short ride today. Wasn't really intending coming out, but with the sun being out, you have to grab every day while you can, don't you? Anyway, we saw the Quasar, which is a bit rare in this day and age. Pity we didn't see him take off, but yeah, it was a good turnout at the cafe anyway, if nothing else. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.